Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to get help from my Ion Bottom guys. You can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Bottom. Then you can see many options on this page. Click on AI option at top right corner. Then you can see their Bottom AI option. Then click on Ask Bottom AI anything. Then ask your question. Then click on Send. Finally guys, in this way you can easily get help from Bottom.